And God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven, to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs, and for seasons, and for days, and for years." Genesis 1, verse 14. This series of studies is exploring the important biblical truths about times, seasons, days, and years found in Genesis 1:14. These studies will also reveal ways we can get off the path, be in error, and become unbalanced even when studying truth. This has important meaning for us in the last days. This study, the first study, is a sermon Ellen G. White gave in Lansing, Michigan, September 5, 1891. This sermon is documented in Review and Herald, March 22, 1892, in 1888 Materials, chapter 117, beginning on page 958, and it is repeated in part in First Selected Messages, chapter 23. There are 3 parts to this sermon, including Review and Herald, March 22, 1892, Review and Herald, March 29, 1892, and Review and Herald, April 5, 1892. All 3 parts of this sermon were repeated twice in both Review and Herald and in 1888 Materials. I find that interesting, that duplication twice, and that there are 3 parts to this series.